So what's it called?
The stay in order.
Okay.
So I have from ace to king, all in order.
Okay.
And they're all spades.
Okay.
So, Mom, you're either going to tell me to deal or switch. Deal,
Okay.
I lay a card down. Switch, I switch them around.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So you tell me when to go.
Switch. Deal. Deal.
Okay?
Switch. Switch. Deal. 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 Switch.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, to make sure they're still jumbled up, you're going to tell me to either deal or switch again.
Okay. Switch. 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 Deal. 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 Switch. Deal. Okay.
Okay. Even though we mix up the cards, if Taylor waves her hand over the pack of cards, so let's get that in. Okay.
Okay.
The cards will automatically just jump back to order from ace to king.
What a magic mind.
I'm going to have a car that poops out rabbits.